I'm Sister Mercedes.
And I'm Sister Peter Thomas. Welcome to Manners Monday.
Today we're talking about hobbies. And while that's not exactly strictly manners, it's actually part of being human. And we spend so much time on screens right now that it could be really helpful to visit.
Yeah, it can be satisfying in the moment to scroll through social media or play a bit of a video game. But are you ever really deeply satisfied after being on a screen for a long time?
Developing a hobby can actually help you engage in the real world. Spending time in the long run can be very satisfying when developing a skill.
If you already have a hobby, it's not a waste of time. Give yourself the time and the freedom to develop it.
If you don't have a hobby yet, don't be afraid to start. Hobby is not about already being good at something, it's about doing something good.
Hobbies are a little bit like contemplation, something that's good for its own sake. Now, when you're choosing a hobby, look for something that suits you. So if you love excelling at things, choose something you can excel at, like running or playing chess or learning an instrument.
And if you like gift giving, why not try a little craft, like knitting or watercoloring?
If you love being outside, gardening, hiking.
And if you want to be ambitious, why not try glass blowing or winemaking?
Yeah. And if you want to start small, you don't have a lot of time, start simple, like maybe cross stitch. Thanks for joining us for Manners Monday.
Like and subscribe.
See you next week.
See ya.
Bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum. You have a paintbrush and I have a needle with some thread in it.
Hi, I'm Sister Mercedes. Sorry. Today we're talking about hobbies, and they're not really manners.
Wait,
but...
you gotta ask me about my
I'm so
hobby.
sorry. I love your hobby. Okay, I just kept on moving the green around in the same place.
There's a lot of green going on there.
Well,
I look forward to my gift.
Oh yeah, it's all yours.